Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Wi-Fi option is not showing Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you're facing the issue that your Wi-Fi option is not showing here, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can do, you just have to go to your settings, and in settings, just go to troubleshoot settings. So here you just have to search for troubleshoot. So here's the troubleshoot settings. Just go there, and there go to other troubleshooters. Look for network and internet. Click on run. So it will run a troubleshooter to check your network and internet settings. So if there will be an issue with your network and internet, it might fix in this step. So here you will see your problem. So once it's done, you just have to go back, and here it will fix your issue. Or if it's still not fix your issue, just go to the settings and enable and disable airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all over your network settings. Once you have done, you just have to try to restart your network or restart your PC. So force restart might fix these type errors. Then you just have to press Window plus R to open run command, and here you have to enter ncpa.cpl. Just enter this command, then click OK. It will open your network connections or network adapters. You just have to right click on your Wi-Fi adapter and then enable this. So if it's already enabled, you can try to disable this first, and after disabling, re-enable this. So once your Wi-Fi adapter has been re-enabled, it might fix your issue. Then go back and retry to check if it's fixed your issue or not. Or if it's still not fixed your issue, so you just have to click on the start button and then search for device manager. Now in device manager, just look for network adapters, expand this, then right click on your Wi-Fi adapter and then click on uninstall device. So once you have uninstalled your driver, it will uninstall your drivers. After uninstalling this, you just have to restart your PC. So restart process will make it reinstalled automatically. So you just have to uninstall the driver first and then restart your PC. It will fix your issue. Or if it's still not fixed your issue, so just go to your settings app, and in settings, just go to network and internet. Then scroll down, go to advanced network settings, then go to network reset, and then select reset now, then click on yes. So it will reset completely your network settings. After resetting your network settings, your issue must have to be fixed. Or if it's still not fixed your issue, right click on the start button and then click on run. It will reopen run command, and here you just have to enter the command which is services.msc. Just click OK, and now here you just have to look for WLAN auto config. So just click on any of your service, then press W from your keyboard, and here just search for WLAN auto config. So here's that. It might be WLAN. So you just have to right click on it, then click on restart. And here when WLAN auto restart, these are the services will also restarts. So you just have to click on yes, and once you have clicked yes, it will restart all of your network services. So it will fix your issues. After that, you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.